Sending money securely and quickly is a breeze with Navy Federal's online wire transfer service, and this tutorial will show you exactly how to do it. First, log into your Navy Federal online banking account. Navigate to the Move Money tab, which is usually located in the main menu at the top of the page. From the Move Money options, select Wire Transfers. This will take you to the Wire Transfer Initiation page. Now, you'll need to decide if you're sending a domestic or international wire. Select the appropriate option for a domestic wire. You'll typically need the recipient's bank name, routing number, account number, and their full name and address. If you're sending an international wire, you'll need additional information such as the SWIFT code or BIC code for the recipient's bank, along with the usual account and recipient details. Next, enter the exact amount you wish to wire. Be sure to double-check this figure for accuracy. You'll then need to select the account from which you want to fund the wire transfer. Choose the correct Navy Federal account that has sufficient funds. In the Purpose of Transfer section, it's important to provide a clear and accurate description of why you are sending the money. This helps with compliance and can prevent delays. Review all the information you've entered very carefully. Every detail, from the account numbers to the amount, needs to be precise. This is your final chance to catch any errors before submitting. Once you've verified everything, click the Submit or Confirm button. You may be asked to complete an additional security verification step, such as a one-time passcode sent to your phone. Congratulations! You've successfully initiated a wire transfer through Navy Federal Online Banking. You should receive a confirmation email with the details of your transaction, and the funds will be on their way to the recipient.